is our first test of the Montezuma River water system for bacteria and black water control. This is University Nacional sponsored. Thank you very much, everybody, for your support.
In an effort to combat black water contamination in this beautiful coastal village of Montezuma, Costa Rica, a jewel of local and international tourism, Ecosanitarios de Costa Rica, Sanitarios Incineradoras S.A., and the Universidad Nacional, under special direction of License Juan Segura Bobiscori, has begun a cooperative project to assess the health of the Montezuma River aquifer by testing for bacteria and sediment. The survival of this beautiful town depends on our immediate action. Project Agua Pura Vida was conceived around the possibility of replacing all water flush toilets that contaminate our soil and our groundwater and our ocean with electric incinerating toilets, ECOs for short. And this way we can stop our black water immediately and then begin to clean our rivers and educate our public about how to maintain it this way. Thank you very much for seeing this movie and for supporting Agua Pura Vida Project Montezuma. Please see us at ecosanitarios@yahoo.com. Please rate this video a 5 and click on the ad at the end so Rever sends us a small contribution. Thank you.